We're back. My name's Christian. I like cars. And we are back in the 88 Suburban. I'm inside it right now. So, I didn't record, testing the ignition switch. But, I did test it. And it was faulty. So, we're going to be replacing it. The ignition switch is out there. It's on the hood. I didn't put it in here for some odd reason. But, yeah, I decided to do a video today because it's nice, kind of windy, great weather. So, yeah, and, this time I got a editing thing, so it's not gonna be, hour-long videos or whatever last time was. Promise. Yeah. So, we're gonna get right to it. So I'm gonna take you under. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and whatnot. And that's pretty much it. So, here, I'm gonna get you under there. So, here we are under this is the steering column I'm under. So we got this bolt right here. So this holds this metal piece up, which holds the steering column up. We have to loosen this, and there's one right there too. We could also loosen, but the ignition switch is on the right side of it over here. So I think all we might have to do is just lower this one out. But, yeah, we'll see what happens, and, if I do have to take the other one down, I'll take it down. I just gotta make sure I don't get hurt, because there's a decent gap, but I'll be alright. So let's do that. Alright, so I flipped the camera around. Now, this is a millimeter bolt. I assume it might be a 14. I can't, where is this? 15. Let's try 15. Oh, okay. No. I wasn't even on it. It's got a little play, but I'll use the 15. So I'm using a 15. It could be a 14. I'm just using a 15 because I'm a lazy son of a gun. I hope this is the right bolt. I'm going to be kind of upset if it isn't. Yeah, I'm going to have to loosen that other one more likely. I got some ways to go. Yeah, all this next few, I think this entire week is going to be nice in Maryland. And then it's going to get cold again. But, who knows? Yeah, I'm going to have to loosen this one over here. Oh, come on, you son of a gun. Come on. There we go. Ow. Oh, I hit my face. I found this wobble extension I'm using, I found in here. So, I was like, hey, why don't I use this? Let's see how we're doing. This thing hasn't loosened at all. I'm gonna have to pull on this a bit. I'll take that back. Okay. Alright, oh. Sorry about that, the dang video cut out. I don't know what happened there, but this thing, moves a bit. I just need to move it a lot more. And to be honest, I don't know what's restricting this thing. But I'm gonna just take these bolts out. Even though I probably shouldn't. There's one bolt. Let me put that right there. This other bolt I can get out by hand. There's 2 bolts. All right. I think I'm gonna have to pull this entire thing off. And I really don't wanna. Yeah, that's what I have to do. Okay. I got my work cut out for me today after all. Because I'm gonna have to pull. I can't pull that out. Okay. I did a thing. Alright, let me look through my flashlight. You guys gotta stay down there for a bit. I gotta look. Hopefully I got my flashlight. Yes, I do. Okay. Now, let me look into here. That must be it. Alright, I think I found it. I gotta put serious weight on this. Yeah, okay, I think I found it, guys. Let me go double check if my cables are disconnected. I'll be right back momentarily. Okay, I'm back. I didn't unplug the terminal, so that could have been bad. So the one I'm using, I'm hoping it fits. It was kind of the first one I saw. It's from AutoZone. It's a Duralast. Whatever. That's what it is. Come on, camera. Oh my gosh. You can make it out. It looks like this and whatnot, and what it looks like is it bolts on oh. Okay, what was that? That just popped out. Oh. Is that it? Be right back. I don't know what happened, but I'll be right back. So, after dropping the steering column, something broke. I think. Because there's this wire hanging out that goes to this orange lever for the shifter, and it's not working. Like, even if I put it back up, it's something on the steering column that broke off. So now I gotta pull off this whole panel, and yeah, and I gotta use these dinky little screwdrivers because I lost my other one. I don't know where it went. Yay. I love doing this stuff. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys momentarily. It's, you know, alright. I'll let you know, and, yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I had to pull off this to find out what I broke, and this is what I broke. So, right here, you have this piece, and this is what moves that. Well, I lowered it. I mean, it was all the way over here, And I tried to get it down because I have fat hands. So, and then it just went like this. And so this is what I broke. I mean, it still works and everything, but I don't know where it goes on the column because it's a column shift, and you know, it still moves and works. But I don't know where this goes. It has to go somewhere right here. Not even, like, right there. But I don't know where. If I'm being honest. I mean, granted, it all... Oh. Got it. Okay. Let me show you what I did. So it goes on like that. So, like, if I can... Ooh, let me get... Hold on, I'm so sorry. You guys must be sick right now. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm back. So, where were we? This thing, right? Well, I can... Oh, shoot. There. But... that must be where it sits, is right down here, because this is all greasy and like shiny. It's not even greasy, it's just shiny right here. That's what I assume it was sitting on, because this has just got a lot of grease on it. But okay, so where we are at is, you are gonna have such a hard time seeing it. There it is, right there. I'm holding this down my chin. I can't, but that green stripe, yeah, that entire control module is the ignition switch. Kind of worried. Because this won't go down any lower. I mean, this thing will not come down any lower. I have fat hands, mind you. So, this is almost a two-man job. Oh, shoot. Because, like, that's all I can get. And my big freaking claws can't, like... I mean, I can get in there now because I have one hand out, but... okay, so, and there you go. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. But I'm gonna look at some diagrams and whatnot to see what wires go where, and compare it to the manual I have that came with it, to make sure everything lines up. And I think that is all, and then I pray to the heavenly Lord, that's all. My sister and my mom just arrived at home, so I'm gonna, you know, do this a while. So, I will be right back with you guys. Hope to God I find something. Alright, see you then. So, I'm back. I can't remember where we left off. So I got the ignition switch off, and long story short, I had to make a run to AutoZone up in Oxford, PA, and get a different one. So apparently there's ignition switches for the left and the right. I had the one that goes on the right instead of the left. I didn't know that. So I got the one that fits for the left side, because that's where it's mounted on, is on the left rather than the right. I haven't put it in yet. I mean, it's in there, and then I just remembered, oh, I forgot I was supposed to be recording this. So yeah, I got it in there now. I got all the plugs in. I'm just bolting it down. And so, on this, Here, let me flip you around. Just give me one moment. So one of the things you have to do when removing the ignition switches, which is right there, you have to unbolt this. Now I have no clue what this is. I don't even know. And this bar was attached to it and it came out. And I don't know where this goes. So, I mean, I'll give you guys a better look. And maybe if you can tell me what it is. And if I have to tear this apart, which I really don't want to, but I may have to. But let me know what that is, and I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. But right now I'm trying to bolt this in, and it's not wanting to cooperate right now. But I'm gonna do my best, and yeah. That's what it is so far. So I might do a time lapse, I don't know. So yeah, let's do a time lapse, why not? Okay, we're gonna do that then. So, I just put it in. I'm not getting my hopes high. Just saying. Please, God Almighty above, let everything work properly as it should. Yeah. Alright. Well, okay. I mean, it's turning. Okay. Well. And it's getting dark. It's 7 o'clock, so I'm about to close it in anyway. Well, I know this video wasn't as eventful as the one I had with my buddy, but nevertheless, it was, show you the progress I'm somewhat making. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and, I don't know, tomorrow I'm either just gonna work on this without recording, or record, I don't know, I'll figure it out tomorrow. It's after, I got out school tomorrow, so, yay! I really need this thing running by, May 2nd. But, yeah, let me know what that, one metal piece was. And, because I kind of need to know. Because it might not be in the correct spot. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and, whatnot. If I haven't said it already, I'm tired. But, yeah. Blue's not out here, because if she was, I'd show you to show her to you, but she ain't around. She's probably in the barn. But nevertheless, it's time for my departure and whatnot. So have a good one, guys. I found Blue. Blue! Good goat.